The eero 6 Plus Mesh Wi-Fi system is designed for the average homeowner who works from home, streams, and handles light internet activities. But with speeds that fall short compared to some of the competing mesh systems, is the eero 6 Plus the best choice for homes with multiple high bandwidth activities?
Melanie here, Broadband Expert at BroadbandNow. With the help of our tech tester, Alejandro, we're diving into the world of mesh Wi-Fi systems with a closer look at the eero 6 Plus. Is it the right fit for your home? We'll break down the specs, setup, performance, and value to help you decide. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our YouTube channel for more in-depth reviews and guides on all things broadband. Now, let's get started.
First, let's talk about unboxing and setup. We got the 3-pack, and right off the bat, the eero 6 Plus looks like it was designed to be user-friendly, even for those who aren't tech-savvy. Inside the box are 3 compact routers, perfect for discreet placement around your home. The routers themselves are sleek and small and have 2 Ethernet ports. This compact design means they can easily blend into our home decor without taking up much space. It also has 160 MHz channel support, which means faster 5 GHz speeds. It covers 4,500 square feet with 3 Wi-Fi routers and reaches speeds up to 1 gigabit per second, which is double the speed of the original eero 6 system. As a Wi-Fi 6 router, the eero 6 Plus is around $300 for the 3-pack on Amazon, less if you go for 2. That makes each router around $100, which isn't a bad deal. Setting up the eero 6 Plus is incredibly simple. Just plug in the routers, follow the steps in the eero app, which you can find as eero Wi-Fi System on the App Store, and you're good to go. As someone familiar with eero products, we found the setup to be smooth and quick, taking about 10 minutes. Even if you're new to eero, the app guides you through each step, making it easy to set up your Wi-Fi username and password. Once installed, the system performs a software update that takes about 10 minutes. Future updates are automatic, ensuring your system stays current with the latest security features. The eero mobile app is extremely user-friendly. The homepage shows all connected devices, and you can create profiles to manage usage. One downside is the lack of free parental controls. eero only offers this feature with a premium subscription called eero Plus, unlike other brands like TP-Link and Asus, which offer parental controls for free. We didn't like that ad blocking, advanced security, content filters, and more are locked behind this subscription. However, it does also have many extras, including the aforementioned features such as block apps, DDNS, and VPN powered by Guardian. If these sound like a must for your Wi-Fi system, then it makes sense to pay the extra cost. That said, leave it to Amazon to implement a premium subscription. We don't love that. We tested the eero 6 Plus in various locations within our home using a Spectrum internet connection and an iPhone. Speeds close to the router, up to 15 feet away, were impressive, hitting download speeds up to 550 megabits per second. This is more than enough for streaming 4K videos, online gaming, and video conferencing. However, as we moved further away, speeds dropped. In our bedroom, 1 room away, speeds dropped to around 320 megabits per second. Upstairs, the performance was even less stellar, with the eero 6 Plus only reaching speeds around 230 megabits per second. To put this in perspective, the speeds you get close to the router are excellent for most activities, but if you have a large home with multiple walls and floors, you might notice some drop-off in speeds as you move further away. Remember, the eero 6 Plus is a mesh Wi-Fi system, so in our individual testing, it wasn't the best, but we experienced better speeds once we tested the entire system connected together. Comparing these results to the eero Pro 6, the Pro model performed better, especially at a distance. The eero 6 Plus does, however, outperform our ISP-provided router from Spectrum, which struggled to maintain consistent speeds throughout the house. Compared to competitors like the TP-Link Deco S4 and the Asus ROG Rapture GT6, the eero 6 Plus falls short. The Deco S4 offered similar speeds close to the router, but maintained better performance at a distance, with speeds around 450 megabits per second behind a wall and upstairs. As for the Asus ROG Rapture GT6, it's more expensive for a 2-pack, but performs faster than even most Wi-Fi 6E systems.
So, Alejandro, what did you think about the eero 6 Plus?
The eero 6 Plus couldn't be simpler to set up and use, making it the ideal router for someone who wants excellent Wi-Fi speed and coverage with none of the headaches of setting it up. With 3 routers, users can expect coverage in homes up to 4,500 square feet, making it a great router for homes both small and large. Overall, the eero 6 Plus was a treat to use. Back to you, Melanie.
For households that don't engage in high bandwidth activities, the eero 6 Plus is a great choice. It's easy to set up, user-friendly, and delivers decent performance for everyday internet usage. However, if you need higher speeds for activities like gaming or streaming on multiple devices simultaneously, you might want to consider a more powerful router like the Asus ROG Rapture GT6. If you want to stay in the eero family, we recommend the eero Pro 6E or eero Max 7, but they'll come at a heftier price. Overall, the eero 6 Plus offers excellent value for its price, making it a viable option for many homes. Thanks for watching. If you found this review helpful, give us a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe for more tech reviews. Turn on your notifications so you don't miss out. See you next time.